Hello friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to understand what is your RAM speed. Okay, in Windows 10, simply open your this PC, that means my computer. Then you can find option of system properties on the top. Okay, like this, open it. Then just wait. This is the about page of your PC. Then you can clearly see that the speed of RAM is here. It is on my case it is 2400 mAh. So it is actually my RAM speed, it is 2400, and you can see here installed memory is 8 GB. So in this way you can easily identify which uh, version of RAM you are using and the speed. Okay, actually not the RAM model, it is about the speed only. So in this way you can easily identify which speed of RAM is. Okay, that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.